ZVAITWA naNACHAMISA accused vachinzi aiwa vada kudisrupta the upcoming SADC summit iri kuitika muna August. Azviperi mushe muri Zimbabwe pane mashoko anobuda panoona kuti ZIM vataura mashoko kuti aiwa vakomana vari kutoaccuseiwa vari kutsumwa. Sapena mashoko abuda sungwa kwaitwa pano paZIM ndotobva subscribe like otina on the bell icon. Ndonyora vachiti according to the statement released by Operation Store Leaders, ZANU-PF stalwarts claimed ZVAITWA, Joseph Kalimbwe from Zambia, NACHAMISA, Takudzwa Ngadzigore, and civil societies are planning to disrupt the incoming SADC summit in Harare. The allegations have raised eyebrows among political observers as they come amidst preparations of the 44th Ordinary Summit of Heads of State and Government scheduled for August 17, 2024. Citizens Youth spokesperson Stephen Sakosi Chuma has since dismissed the allegations, saying these are baseless accusations aimed at tarnishing my reputation and diverting attention from the real issues facing Zimbabwe. Political analysts have highlighted that such accusations reflect ZANU-PF's historical strategy of blaming the opposition for internal challenges and diverting public attention from governance issues. The ruling party accuses opposition kuti konzeresa, but isiriyo nyaya yacho. NACHAMISA na ZVAITWA vasiri involved muHAASI protests ada kuitwa. Sachimbodo zamafundo enyu matu kudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Tina comment section medu musano subscribe kulike, turn on the bell icon.